Sharma. 13 of you are right now here. है ना? 14 now. Rani has joined 2 times. Why, Rani? Rani, you are using 2 devices, beta. Rani Fukun, unmute yourself. Yes, Rani. Join with only 1 device, beta. Don't join with more than 1 devices. Okay, so 16. Krishna. Himanshu has not come.
Sir.
Yes. Do it, beta. Those who joined right now, है ना? I'm again sending you the. Okay, Prince Meena, you cannot join, beta. You have to join with school email ID. I'll not permit. ठीक है ना बेटा? Those who joined later, जिनने देर से ज्वाइन, देवांशी साहू, stop presenting the screen. Devanshi, do not present, beta. Right? Stop presenting. See, there is a link. I have sent you a link. Those who joined just right now, see the link. Open it and do the questions, beta. Akhil, have you done, beta? Akhil Sharma. Arush has done. Sanskriti has got 10 out of 10. Devansh, 10 out of 10. Very good.
Sir, I also get 10 out of 10.
Very good, beta. You can write in the chat box. है ना? 10/10 ऐसे लिखो आप. Whatever the marks you get, doesn't matter. है ना? Slowly, gradually, you will be having. Himanshu is now. Now Himanshu is there. Himanshu, can you see the chat box, beta? There is a link. Do these questions. Himanshu. Anushka, is she present? Anushka Bhargav.
10 out of 10.
Anushka not joined. Very good. Correct. Anushka not joined, na? Okay. So everybody got the link, beta? Those who are present right now, try to solve. ये उल्टा लिख दिया, अल्फेज ने उल्टा लिख दिया. 8/10 लिखो, है ना? लास्ट में फुल मार्क्स होना चाहिए.
सर गलती से लिखा गया.
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं बेटा. It happens sometimes. Doesn't matter. Devansh, did you do, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today, let us start our chapter, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Some part we discussed in the last period, right? So
Yes,
today
sir.
also, Arush and Gaurik. Beta,
Yes, sir.
you are
Yes,
the moderator. If I ask you, if I am only visible, my screen is not, मैं पूछूंगा क्या दिख रहा है, तो मुझे गाइड करना बेटा, है ना?
Okay, sir.
So I am presenting my screen. Okay. अभी क्रोम टैब तो दिखता ही नहीं है. क्रोम टैब कहाँ दिख रहा है? क्रोम टैब वीडियो क्रोम टैब में है. शेयर देखना क्या दिख रहा है बेटा गौरिक?
Sir, screen is visible.
स्क्रीन विजिबल. क्या लिखा है स्क्रीन पर? पढ़ के सुनाओ.
Sorting materials into
Very good.
groups.
So today I am showing you a video first. Okay. We should enjoy everything, beta, है ना? I am showing one video and I will be explaining also in between. So just all of you, है ना? Listen and see, watch carefully. Right? If any question, write down on the paper and you will ask me when we will come out of it. And in between also when I stop the video in between.
Groups.
So okay, enjoy.
Sir, may you zoom the video? Zoom in the
This
video.
slide
presents the overview of the chapter. Learning objectives.
Sound
By the end
there?
of this chapter,
Yes,
you
sir.
will be able
Yes,
to
madam.
सर आवाज से ही नहीं आ
Explain
रही
about the materials which are used for
सर
making
थोड़ी कट
different
रही है
objects.
थोड़ी थोड़ी कट रही है, नेटवर्क का प्रॉब्लम होगा बेटा थोड़ा
List
थोड़ा।
out the properties
सर
of
वॉइस
materials.
इज नॉट क्लियर
Identify the
हाँ,
transparent,
नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम बेटा।
opaque, and
अभी आ
translucent
जाएगा, आ जाएगा।
materials. Discuss the state of materials. Identify the objects which will float and sink in water.
Now can you see the screen?
यस सर
सर आवाज
हाँ।
सही से सुनाई नहीं दे रही
आवाज ठीक है?
सर आवाज सही से सुनाई नहीं दे रही
आएगी बेटा। Yes, yes.
Find
Now
out
listen.
soluble and insoluble
These are the objectives
substances.
which we will study in this chapter.
Illustrate the miscible and immiscible liquids.
introduction. Before entering into the chapter,
Whereas some of the objects have not broken.
Okay, बेटा, let me find out.
सर हम कुछ समझ नहीं पा रहे।
Do you know? How can we decide why some objects broke and some did?
Now,
सर आवाज से
These
समझ में नहीं
objects
आ रही
are
क्या
made
बोल
of
रहे
अच्छा
different
साउंड नहीं आ रही
materials.
अच्छी से।
For
यस सर
example,
साउंड अच्छे से
a
नहीं आ
book
रहा।
is made of wood, whereas a pen is made of plastic and
Okay, let
metal.
me
We
stop
thus
it.
conclude that
Okay, बेटा, let me stop it, and I'm coming out of stop presenting, right? Now, can you see me on the screen,
यस सर
or still you can see the video?
यस सर
What can you see?
सर कुछ बिल्ली बर्तन गिरा के चली गई थी।
मैं दिख रहा हूँ?
यस सर
यस सर यस सर
Okay. Let me present again. And this time I'm presenting my entire screen. Let me see. What does it say? Now, if the video is audible properly, then you tell me.
सर स्क्रीन
Okay,
इज
बेटा।
विजिबल।
Now, beta.
Welcome to the chapter Sorting Materials into Groups.
सर अब अच्छे से आ रही है।
आ रही अच्छे से?
यस सर आ रही है अच्छे से।
सर आवाज अच्छे से आ रही है
अच्छे से आ रही
Very
है।
good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, beta.
of the chapter. Learning objectives.
थोड़ा आगे बढ़ाता हूँ बेटा, है ना? Yeah, from here.
Do you know? How can we decide why some objects broke and some did not?
है ना बेटा?
Can we guess which objects might have broken and which might not have broken? Let's find out the answers to such questions in this chapter. Let us know about the materials and things. In our daily life, we have seen many objects like a chair, a bullet cord,
है ना बेटा? Can you see?
a bicycle,
Can you hear बेटा?
यस सर
हाँ, got it. Yes. Any problem? Then
यस सर
utensils, books, clothes, toys, and many other objects. All these objects are made of different materials. For example, a book is made of wood, whereas a pen is made of plastic and metal. We thus conclude that all the objects around us are made of one or more types of materials. In the same way, we also find that a single material can also be used to make different objects. Each object is used for a special purpose. So, we need to know the properties of materials as well as the properties of the objects to decide which material should be used for making an object. Let us know about the properties of materials.
Okay, beta. So now we are going to learn about the properties of materials. Right? Yesterday I told you, Gaurik.
Yes, sir.
Hanna beta. Now this video is going to explain properties of materials. What are the different properties of materials? Okay.
We
So
choose a
listen.
material to make an object depending on its properties and the purpose for which the object is to be
To be
used.
used.
Different materials have different properties such as transparency, state of the material, solubility, etc. Now, let us discuss the transparency of materials.
देखो बेटा, now we are going to discuss transparency. Transparency means, are we able to see clearly or not, or partially, or we are not able to see at all through some objects, right? So listen it.
Generally, we are able to see the things clearly through the clear glass window pane of our house, in spite of the fact that there is a glass between us and the outside world. Those substances or materials through which things can be seen are called transparent materials.
Okay, beta.
Similarly,
Transparent. What are transparent materials?
सर हम जिनके अंदर देख सकते हैं
हाँ बेटा.
सर हम जिनके अंदर देख सकते हैं
हम
Yes.
जिनके आर पार देख सकते हैं
हाँ,
जैसे कि
material.
एक कांच गिलास
Very good. Very good. Now,
Sir, glass.
I will not speak more. You just listen the video and note down the questions.
we
Good.
cannot tell what is kept in a closed wooden box, a cardboard, or a metal container by looking through them. Those substances or materials through which things cannot be seen are called opaque materials. Owing to this reason, shopkeepers usually prefer to keep biscuits, sweets, and other eatables in transparent containers of glass so that buyers can easily see these items. Note: if green light passes through a transparent object, the emerging light is green. Similarly, if red light passes through a transparent object, the emerging light is red.
Beta, got it? Emerging light means? Correct.
Yes, sir.
Emerging light means coming out light. Suppose you are having a transparent jar. आपके पास एक ट्रांसपेरेंट जार है, उसमें अगर आप रेड लाइट डालोगे तो क्या निकलेगा बाहर? रेड लाइट ही बाहर निकलेगी, है ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ
Green
सर
light
Sir, yes, sir. Because it is transparent.
हाँ, because it is
Yes, sir.
transparent. Good.
सर लेकिन
Here,
जब हम
we will do a lab activity to know
देखो,
about
एक activity देखो,
translucent
activity.
materials.
You will do this activity.
Click each tab to know more. The aim of this activity is to know about translucent materials.
Translucent material. Okay.
Sir, what is aim?
The
Aim means
materials used in this lab activity
एम मीन्स व्हाट डू वी वांट टू डू. हमारा उद्देश्य क्या है, हम करना क्या चाहते हैं, तो हम पता करना चाह रहे हैं कि व्हाट इज ट्रांसल्यूशन मटेरियल. ओके बेटा, तो फॉर दिस व्हाट आर द मटेरियल्स रिक्वायर्ड, और आप नोट कर लेना एंड ट्राई टू डू इट योर होम आल्सो, प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी, है ना.
or white paper,
व्हाइट पेपर,
oil,
ऑयल, थोड़ा सा
lighted bulb.
लाइटेड बल्ब, वो जलते रहता है हमारे रूम में, है ना. Procedure. Now what to do?
Take a white paper,
देखो, है
look
ना.
through it towards a lighted bulb.
अब उससे देखो कितना दिख
Now
रहा है.
take a few drops of oil and spread it on the sheet of paper.
Okay, it's very easy.
Once again, look towards
And
the
now
lighted
see
bulb
toward the
through the
light.
portion of the paper on which the oil has been spread. Observe the difference in both cases. We have noticed that in the first case, we can't see the bulb through the white paper, but in the second case, We are able to see the bulb through the oiled paper.
ठीक है बेटा, इस केस में आपको लाइट बहुत ज्यादा दिखाई नहीं देगा, बट इस केस में थोड़ा थोड़ा दिखने लगेगा. सो व्हाट कैन वी से? व्हेन वी अप्लाई ऑयल ऑन द पेपर, इट बिकम्स ट्रांसलूसेंट, एंड थ्रू ट्रांसलूसेंट मटेरियल वी कैन सी partially, not completely. Okay?
Okay, sir.
The materials through which objects can be seen but not clearly are known as translucent.
है ना? This is the definition of translucent materials. The materials through which objects can be seen but not clearly are known as translucent materials, or partially we can see. है ना? I'll give you the PPT भी देंगे, उसमें डिफाइन दिखाऊंगा मैं आपको. Now let us go ahead. करके देखना घर में बेटा ये.
Butter paper.
You all have to do this.
And frosted.
Okay, sir.
है ना बेटा? करके देखना. जितने एक्टिविटी में दिखाऊंगा, if it difficult then tell me later on.
The glass used in a window, smoke and fog are other examples of translucent materials.
देखो, अगर कोई फॉग हो जाए, अभी अचानक से फॉग ही हो जाए, अभी सामने एटमॉस्फेयर में फॉग हो जाए, तो भी कैन यू सी प्रॉपर्ली?
No, sir.
No,
No, sir.
something partially.
No, sir. No, sir.
है ना?
No,
से
sir.
स्मोक,
No, sir.
अचानक से स्मोक आ जाए तुम्हारे आंखों के सामने, देन आल्सो वी कैन नॉट सी क्लियरली, थोड़ा थोड़ा दिखता है स्मोक से भी. तो स्मोक है आपका, फॉग, दीज ऑल आर ट्रांसलूसेंट मटेरियल्स. गुड, लेट अस गो अहेड.
Here, let us know the state of the material.
नाउ ध्यान देना बेटा, यहाँ पर स्टेट ऑफ मटेरियल. स्टेट मीन्स हियर नॉट मध्य प्रदेश, बिहार, झारखंड, नॉट दैट. स्टेट मीन्स in which condition you are given material. It is whether it is solid, liquid or gas. And material and matter object, for all these we have a common word, matter. What is called? Matter. Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. So matter exists in three states: solid, liquid and gas. Okay, let us know about all these three through the video first, then I'll explain. Okay beta?
Sir, water in सबकी फॉर्म में आ जाता है, गैस में भी, लिक्विड
Yes.
में भी और सॉलिड में भी.
हाँ बेटा, now enjoy the video first.
Here we have studied the relationship between ice, water, and water vapor, which are the three states of water. We know that as we heat ice, that is solid state, it converts into water, that is liquid state, and if we boil water.
देखो, you can do this also at your home, है ना? थोड़ा लेकिन in the presence of your मम्मा और पापा, अकेले मत करना बेटा, है ना? कोई भी कंटेनर लेना, कटोरी लेना, उसमें थोड़ा सा आइस लेना, और आइस को धीमे फ्लेम पे गर्म करना उसको, and see what happens, right?
It turns into water vapor.
देखो बेटा, science is doing little small experiments, small activities, and these all are available at home. Our kitchen is one of the best laboratories in the world. हमारा जो किचन है घर का, बहुत सारी चीजें आपको मिल जाएगी वहाँ पे.
That is gaseous state. Similarly, when water vapor is cooled, we can get back water, and if water is cooled further, we will get ice. In the same way, some materials change their state from solid to liquid, liquid to gas on being heated, and from gas to liquid.
ध्यान से देखो बेटा, सॉलिड, व्हेन सॉलिड इज हीटेड इट बिकम्स लिक्विड. जैसे आपने आइस लिया था, आइस वाज सॉलिड, और आपने गर्म किया तो क्या बन गया था? पानी बन गया होगा, तो लिक्विड हो गया. और गर्म करेंगे तो वाटर वेपर निकलने लगेगा बाहर, सो दैट इज गैस स्टेट. एंड अपोजिट करोगे, गैस को अगर कूल डाउन करोगे तो लिक्विड बन जाएगा, और कूल डाउन करोगे लिक्विड को तो क्या बन जाएगा? सॉलिड. जैसे आप जब पानी डालते हो ट्रे में और फ्रिज में रख देते हो तो क्या बन जाता है? वो आइस बन जाता है ना?
Ice.
Yes, sir.
Good. Let us go ahead.
On being
Yes, sir.
That
Good.
is why we sort materials as solids, liquids, or gases
And gases.
based on their state at normal temperature. Let us do an activity to know about the state of the material.
देखो, अनदर एक्टिविटी है ना? बट रिमेम्बर बेटा, वेयर एवर देयर इज बर्निंग, जहां हम फ्लेम का काम करें, कुछ जला रहे हैं, ट्राई टू बी डू इट इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ योर पेरेंट्स. और कोई बड़े भैया हो, दीदी हो, उनके सामने किया करना बेटा. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट बेटा?
Yes,
Okay, sir.
हाँ बेटा, कुछ जलाने का
Sir.
काम जब भी करेंगे ना तो पापा हो, मम्मी हो, कोई बड़े भैया दीदी कोई सामने हो, वहां पे करना है ना बेटा। ये दिस इज द स्मॉल प्रिकॉशन दैट वी मस्ट ऑलवेज टेक। नाउ लिसन दिस एक्टिविटी एंड
by lighting a candle.
कैंडल को जला दिया हमने।
Click each tab to know more. Take a candle and place it on the table. No, the
नोट
word
डाउन।
candle is derived from the Latin word candere, meaning to shine.
ये देखो, ये जो कैंडल वर्ड है ना बेटा, इट हैज कम फ्रॉम कैंडियरे। ये लैटिन वर्ड है, लैटिन भाषा का वर्ड है कैंडियरे। इसका मतलब होता है शाइन, और उससे बना कैंडल, है ना। थोड़ा सा इंग्लिश के बारे में है। ओके, लेट्स गो अहेड।
Light the candle with
Yeah.
the help of burning
Light
matchstick
कर दो आप
and
देखो।
wait for some time.
What will you
Now
see?
hold a burning matchstick in one hand. Blow the candle out and quickly bring the burning matchstick close to a column of white smoke rising from the wick, but do not touch the wick with it.
ध्यान रखना, ये मैजिक हो जाएगा। कैंडल आपको दूर से आग पकड़ लेगी। Right?
सर ये मैंने पहले भी करा है।
हाँ, हमने लैब में भी दिखाया है आपको।
यस सर, मैंने भी किया है।
साइंस स्क्रीन में देखा होगा आपने। वेरी गुड, करके देखना आप। बट बी केयरफुल, एज आई टोल्ड यू, डोंट गेट योरसेल्फ हर्ट। रिमेंबर बेटा, डू इट इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ योर पेरेंट्स। ओके,
Observe the changes.
चेंजेस ऑब्जर्व करो आप। ऑब्जर्व द चेंजेस।
We have observed that the candle wick catches fire despite being at a distance from the burning matchstick. From this activity, we learned that a column of white smoke rising from the wick represents candle wax in the state of gas. Hence, we can conclude that the materials also change their state from one form to another form. Here, let us learn how to identify the states of materials. Generally, we observe that
सर
materials
आपको
can
पता है गैस नहीं जलती, गैस के वेपर जलते हैं।
हाँ बेटा, वेपर फॉर्म। वेपर इज द गैसेस फॉर्म, राइट। Actually, in the candle, what burns? Vapor of the wax burns, and then we get the flame. Very good. Now see this
according to the
activity.
shape of the containers,
ये
they
देखिए,
are
ध्यान से
put in
देखिए।
shape, while some retain their shape. The materials which do not change their shape are called solids, such as wood, stone, plastic objects, brick, vegetables, and so on. Whereas the materials which change their shape are called liquids, such as water, milk, kerosene,
सर
oil,
अगर
so on.
इसको गर्म करते तो पिघल जाता है ना।
ध्यान से देखो यहाँ पर। अगर if you put some solid in the beaker or any container, the shape of the solid does not change. जैसा था वैसा ही है वहां पर। लेकिन लिक्विड हमने डाला तो क्या कर लिया इसने बीकर का शेप ले लिया, राइट। सो सॉलिड्स डू नॉट चेंज देयर शेप, बट लिक्विड्स change their shape. It takes the shape of the container in which it is kept. Okay, so the materials which do not change their shape are called solids, such as wood, stone, plastic objects, brick, vegetables, and so on. Whereas the materials which change their shape are called liquids, such as water, milk, kerosene, oil, and so on. Okay, beta?
सर
Let us go
लेकिन
ahead.
सर
Similarly,
आइस एक सॉलिड फॉर्म होती है।
Ice is
सर
solid.
तब भी वो अपना कैसे बदल लेती है?
हाँ बेटा, फिर से बोलो।
सर आइस सॉलिड होती है तब भी वो अपना रूप कैसे बदल लेती है?
हाँ बेटा, जब आइस अपना ऐसे नहीं बदलती बेटा। जब उसमें थोड़ी सी हीट मिलती है, आप अपने हाथ में ले लेते हो या सराउंडिंग की हीट ले मिलती है ना, तो वो मेल्ट होने लगता है एंड इट स्टार्ट चेंजिंग फ्रॉम सॉलिड टू लिक्विड। ओके,
ओके सर।
आइस सॉलिड से लिक्विड में बदलने लगता है और फिर धीरे धीरे पूरा आइस मेल्ट हो जाएगा तो क्या बन जाएगा? पूरा पानी बन जाएगा आपका, है ना।
फिर वाटर वेपर।
गुड।
सर क्योंकि अपने हाथ का जो टेम्परेचर, हाथ के सरफेस का जो टेम्परेचर होता है वो आइस के टेम्परेचर टेम्परेचर से ज्यादा होता है,
हाँ,
इसलिए वो
that's why.
होने लगती है, मैट
Very
होने
good, very
लगती
good,
है।
very good, beta, very good. Now see another activity.
The shape of the container as we pour
I have chosen this video because of the activity, right? एक्टिविटी दिखाने के चलते मैंने आपको चूज किया, क्योंकि अभी लैब है नहीं हमारे पास कि हम लोग लैब में कुछ कर पाएंगे, है ना बेटा? When the school will reopen and we'll go to the lab, then we'll do many activities, right? Right now,
it in a
let's
glass,
enjoy.
in a bowl, or in a cup. As we know, liquids take the shape of the container. So, we conclude that sugar is a liquid, but this is wrong. Because a single crystal of sugar shows that it is a solid, whereas single drop of water shows that it is liquid.
Liquid.
Hence, we can conclude that sugar is solid. Let us perform an activity to find the objects which sink or float in water. Click each tab to know more.
Sinking or floating. Okay, beta. Some material sinks,
Take a
some
transparent
floats.
water tub with water.
This you can also do.
Now drop the objects such as a stone, a piece of glass, a metal key, plastic ball, leaf, small piece of wood, iron nail, and a rupee coin, one by one.
है ना? You can arrange all these materials very nicely. You can arrange more materials also बेटा. टमाटर ले लेना, लेमन ले लेना, दूसरे मटेरियल भी लेकर आप इसमें कोशिश करना एक्टिविटी को. एंड सी क्या किया? स्टोन को डाला या वैक्स को डाला. ये क्या था? आयरन की. इट वाज पुट. देन फुटबॉल, leaf, and now iron nail, and finally coin. ये देखा. So what did you observe?
Observe the changes.
सर रुपी तो फ्लोट करता है।
Which is excessively salty.
रुका नहीं था बेटा, ये एक्टिविटी का पार्ट है ना? Listen now. Observation.
We will observe that a stone, key, iron nail, and rupee coin sink in the water,
डूब गया
whereas
पानी के अंदर, है ना बेटा?
plastic ball, small piece of wood, and a leaf float on the surface of water.
What is the learning?
From this
What is the
activity, we
conclusion?
can conclude that some materials in one shape will sink in water that float on water when they are in another shape. The materials that can sink can be made to float, but all the materials that float cannot be made to sink. Salt is denser than water, and so if you add salt to water, the resulting solution is denser than pure water. So, in some cases, objects that sink in fresh water cannot float in salt water.
ध्यान से देखना. एक और एक्टिविटी यू कैन डू बेटा. लिसन वेरी केयरफुली, है ना? टेक हाफ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर. ओके, नाउ टेक वन स्मॉल पोटैटो एंड पुट द पोटैटो इन वाटर. यू विल फाइंड दैट द पोटैटो इज फ्लोटिंग, है ना? आलू तैरता
सर
नजर
लेकिन जब
आएगा.
हम उसे बॉयल कर लेते सर तब वो
Yes,
डूब
बेटा.
जाता है।
हाँ, and now take out the potato and put more salt and dissolve the salt in water to make it a strong salty solution. And now put the potato. Same potato will start floating. पहले डूब जाएगा, बाद में फ्लोट करने लगेगा आपका, राइट? तो जो साल्टी वाटर होता है दैट इज मच डेंसर. डेंसिटी इसकी अधिक हो जाती है. ओके, लेट अस गो अहेड.
Let us perform an activity to know the appearance of materials. Click each tab to know more.
Collect the small pieces of iron, copper, aluminium, and magnesium.
See, magnesium you cannot have at home. We are having in the lab. But aluminium you can arrange. You can arrange copper wire you can arrange iron wire. Okay, beta? Now listen carefully.
Observe the appearance of each sample.
है ना, appearance मतलब उसका बाहर से कैसा दिख रहा है. How does it look? Whether it looks shiny or dull. It want to say that. Copper rod, aluminum rod. This is magnesium rod. They are having magnesium
Take
ribbon.
a sandpaper.
Sandpaper,
Clean
you
the
know,
surface.
it's a paper, very rough paper बेटा. इसको रगड़ते हैं साफ करने के लिए. So using the sandpaper, the boy is going to
Sir,
clean.
Each sample by
Yes.
rubbing with the help of a sandpaper.
It started
Once
shining.
again, observe the appearance of each sample.
Now it started shining. देखो.
In this activity, we have observed that the surfaces of each sample start shining after rubbing with sandpaper. From this activity, we have learned that the metals have a shining surface in their pure state. This property is called metallic luster.
याद रखो बेटा, metallic luster. Metals have brilliant luster. Metals shine when their surfaces are rubbed. Metal के surface को जब हम rub कर देते हैं, then when light falls on it, it reflects the light and it has a very bright shine, which is called metallic luster. Okay, L-U-S-T-R-E. है ना? Metals shine when light is thrown on them. Okay, let us go ahead.
So finally, we can conclude that the materials which have a bright surface and reflect light are called lustrous materials, and materials that do not shine are called non-lustrous.
ओके बेटा, सो टुडे वी स्टॉप हियर, है ना. इस वीडियो को मैं यहाँ पर बंद करता हूँ अभी, राइट. एंड नाउ आई एम स्टॉपिंग शेयरिंग बिकॉज टाइम सेज नो. इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास आई विल एक्सप्लेन माय पीपीटी इन विच यू विल फाइंड द डेफिनेशंस and all other about this. So today mostly we have focused on the activity. Can you see me now, beta?
Yes,
Am I
sir.
visible now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, material and metal और object में क्या अंतर है?
Material.
Sir, what is the difference between material, metal and object?
Object, anything which we see and we can touch is called object, and object is made up of materials. जैसे आप बोलो plate, plate is an object क्योंकि we can touch plate, है ना बेटा, and we can see the plate. But plate is made up of what? It may made up of glass, plastic और metal plate, नहीं, और स्टील की प्लेट हो सकती है, ब्रास की प्लेट हो सकती है. तो that is the material. Things out of which objects are made are called materials. जिन जिन चीजों से हम ऑब्जेक्ट बनाते हैं उनको हम बोलते हैं materials. ओके बेटा?
Yes, sir.
Good. So altogether 14 of you are present here.
Sir, metal क्या होता है metal?
Metals. See, we have many material around. Some materials they are good conductor of heat. Okay, they allow electricity to pass through them. They are malleable, ductile. Such materials are called metals. Okay. Actually, पढ़ेंगे आगे.
Like diamond.
Diamond is actually carbon.
Like diamond.
Diamond is non-metal, beta, not metal. Iron, copper, gold, silver, these are metals.
Sir, लेकिन diamond में भी तो luster होता है.
हाँ, ये एक्सेप्शन है बेटा, एक्सेप्शन है ना. डायमंड एंड ग्रेफाइट बोथ हैव लस्टर, है ना, एक्सेप्शन, बट दीज आर नॉन मेटल बेटा. ओके. Answer question है ना? So today we
Sir,
have learned about the properties of
what is
material.
metal? Sir, what is metal?
Metal elements which
Sir,
are
metal.
matter. Write in the chat box.
Yes, sir.
Type in the chat box. Chat में type करो. Can you do it? If you are asking matter, anything which has mass and occupies space is called matter. Okay. Can you see chat box? Anything
Yes, sir.
has mass and occupies space is called matter. And beta, we can feel it by any of our sense organs. We have got 5 sense organs. Out of all these 5, at least from any one we can sense it. हम पहचान पाएं. जैसे मैं आपको ये दिखा रहा हूँ. What is this in my hand?
Sir, scissors.
Scissor. So it is a matter.
Sir,
Why?
scissors.
हाँ, because it has mass.
Scissors.
इसका अपना कोई मास है. एक बना है स्टील का. तो how much steel it has? 5 gram, 10 gram, 15 gram, 20 gram. That is
सर
mass.
प्लास्टिक भी है.
हाँ, इसमें प्लास्टिक भी है. 2 मेटल का बना हुआ है. वेरी गुड. इट्स एन ऑब्जेक्ट है बेटा. ये सीजर ऑब्जेक्ट है और 2 मेटल का बना हुआ है, स्टील एंड प्लास्टिक. गुड बेटा.
Sir, something is made up of rubber also.
हाँ, यस. देयर आर 3 स्टेट्स ऑफ मैटर जो हमने पढ़ा अभी. देयर आर 3 states of matter.
Of metal.
Solid, liquid and gas. बेटा ये और 2 और पढ़ोगे हायर क्लास में जाकर के.
Yes, sir.
BEC, बोस, आइंस्टीन, कंडेंसेट एंड प्लाज्मा. 2 और है, बड़े हायर क्लास में जाकर पढ़ोगे इसके बारे में.
Sir, what is this?
हाँ, इसको मैं भेज दूं. पहले आप देखा नहीं होगा ना आपने बेटा. हाँ, ये देखो 2 और पढ़ेंगे लेटर ऑन. कौन कौन? BEC एंड वन मोर प्लाज्मा. जो फायर होता है वो प्लाज्मा स्टेट है. जो स्टार्स वगैरह है ना अपने स्टार्स, उसमें मैटर प्लाज्मा स्टेट में होता है. ये 2 बाद में पढ़ेंगे हम लोग. BEC, बोस, आइंस्टीन, कंडेंसेट एंड प्लाज्मा. Okay, we'll continue in the next class. So time says 2:40. So we'll conclude by chanting शांति पाठ. सभी लोग नहीं माइक ऑन करेंगे. सिर्फ जिन 2 को मैंने कहा था. आरुष आप ऑन रखना बेटा, है ना? तो शांति पाठ. And next class I'll explain through my PPT.
Yes, sir.
PPT दिखाऊंगा तो दिखाएंगे, सब दिखाएंगे बेटा. Today my focus was to show you some activities. Okay. So let us join our hands. Chant शांति पाठ. शांति शांति शांति. साई राम. You leave first.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, बेटा. You leave first. साई राम बेटा.